To repair a puncture injury to a tire, use these quality Rema Tip Top products: Special Blue Cement, Rema Pre-Buff Cleaner, a Minicombi single-piece repair unit, and Rema Tip Top Repair Sealant. You also need hand tools, an awl, a tire crayon, a brass brush, a pair of pliers, a knife, a scraper, and a stitcher. Proper power tools and specialized tire repair equipment make your job easier. You need a tire spreader, a slow-speed drill and Rema carbide cutter, a good light source, a slow-speed buffer with a 36 to 60 grit rasp, and a vacuum. The Minicombi repair unit can be used for truck, light truck, and passenger tires. It is most commonly used on passenger tires, as you'll see in this demonstration.